Hello, I forgot to make the second way to decrease the stitch. So you can see it here is normal single crochet. And now to decrease, in the previous lesson you learn this way. This is the first way. This is the hidden decrease. Okay, right? So now you go. I will repeat that again so you can compare with the second way. This is the hidden decrease crochet. Now the second way is ignore the stitch. So for example, normally you will make crochet into the next stitch, but now you ignore that and do the second crochet. Now 1, 2, go through, yarn over, go through, next 1, 2. Okay, you can compare two ways here. See, the two first stitch is hidden decrease, so it would look nice and don't have too much space like the second way. So I usually do make the decrease with the hidden decrease. Okay, thank you.